Okay, here's a trick based on a fantastic effect by Stewart James called Remembering the Future. Now I've modified this slightly for this interactive format, so you can follow along with this or just watch the effect and try this on your own later. So first off, what you want to do is you want to remove the two jokers from your deck, and you're going to want to find ace through 9 in this order. It can be any ace, it doesn't matter about the suits. Ace, 2, and then 3, and then stack the 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So just like that, you can set the rest of the deck just in front of you, like so, face down. And then, so you have your sequence, ace through 9, ace being the top card, 9 being the bottom card. You want to turn the packet over in your hand, and what we're going to do is we're going to select any one of these cards, but because we know what value is where, we're going to just change we're just going to move the sequence a little bit. We want to retain the sequence, but we want to move it enough so that we will find it difficult to identify what number is where, so we don't have any sort of psychological influence to choose a certain type of number. So to do this, I thought I would use the word future from the title of the trick, and it's just a nice size word to move the cards enough so that we can't identify what card is what. So if you just spell the word future, moving one card for each letter from the top of the packet to the bottom. So first we'll move F, U, T, U, R, E. So spelling the word future just like that, one card for each letter to the bottom of the packet. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to select one of these cards. And to do this, you can select the first card and then just leave it on the packet and set it down if you like. Or you can discard this card onto the deck and select the next card and then just leave it as is on the table. Or you can discard that card and select the next one and leave it as is on the table. Either way, you can just keep going. You can discard as many cards as you like. Whatever you choose, that'll be your card left remaining on top of the rest of the cards. So I'm going to choose that one. You choose whatever card you like. Now, believe it or not, the card that you've chosen is actually going to predict the outcome of how you cut this deck. Now, it's really quite bizarre. I'll show you what I mean. Cut anywhere you like. You can cut a small portion, a large portion, it doesn't matter. Cut them unevenly. So I'm going to cut a really small portion here and a much larger portion there. Now, let's count how many cards we have in each of our portions. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 cards. So you take your two-digit number and you add the two digits for your packet. And what you're going to do is you're going to keep adding two digits together until you get a single digit. So I have 39, 9 and 3 is 12, so I still have a two-digit number. So I'm going to add the two digits in 12, 1 and 2 together to get 3. So that's my final digit for this deck, for this portion of the deck, 3. Now, for this, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my two digits, of course, are 1 and 1. I add those together, I get 2. So my final digit is 2. My final digit for this is 3. So now I add 3 and 2, the two digits from each packet. 3 and 2 give me 5. If I have a two-digit number, I just reduce that again by adding the two digits until I get a single digit. So my final number is 5. Now, here's just where the bizarre thing happens. Here's our prediction based on how we've cut these cards and arrived at this final number. My final number 5, and the card I've picked just happens to be the 5. So this will work with any card you choose. You will predict exactly how you cut the deck and arrive at those numbers. Quite bizarre. I'm not sure how this works exactly, but I hope you enjoy that. Thank you for watching.